named ourselves Team Rush Hour, and I'm Lee. And Carter. So we're taking a break from doing all the FBI agents because it's taking too much of a physical exhaustion on us. So we decided to become, dynamics professionals instead. So we'll be talking about low-code plugins. So it's plugins that can be built using little or no code, and you use pretty much PowerFX formulas instead of code. And there are two different types, which is automated plugins and instant plugins that you can build at the moment. And also Arthur will be going over why we should use PowerFX code plugins instead of the usual plugins with C# and JavaScript. So in this example here, or use case, I have built an automated plugin that pretty much gives an error dialog if you try to put a due date of a task in the past, as you can see by the two dates that I've circled here. And the importance of this is because pretty much you're using CRM to keep accurate and up-to-date data of your client. So keeping these extra steps of having like an error dialog to confirm that you're putting in the correct data would be useful. And that's especially useful in the case of magnetism because most of our clients are government clients, and we tend to keep quite sensitive data of individuals. And also they could, request these information at any given time, and it would be quite a bad look if you were providing them with wrong information about themselves as well. So keeping these extra steps as a plugin and giving you an error dialog if you try to do something wrong or put in the wrong information would be useful. Next slide. And if we just have a look at how this was built here, it was quite simple, so it's quite easy, followable steps to build an automated plugin. All you need to do is give it a name and select, the table that you want to build this plugin for, and then like the condition when it's created, updated, or deleted, like a row is created, updated, or deleted in that table, and then you enter in your PowerFX formula. So now we circle back to how Sarah talked about having this formula bank here. So if we had that, we could easily build these plugins using those formulas in the formula bank here. And that would pretty much what I did by finding some formulas online, and it took me no longer than 5 minutes. So like this is already here is a very good use case on why you should use the PowerFX plugins. And the main benefit of doing this is because someone like me with pretty much no coding background or anything can build these plugins using no JavaScript or C#. And another great benefit of this is that you can showcase these things in demos.